Welcome to Scotland. In this video, we will explore some of the most beautiful places in this corner of the world. Number 10. Loch Ness, a legendary body of water known worldwide for its enigmatic tales, situated in the Scottish Highlands. This vast, deep lake stretches for approximately 23 miles, surrounded by stunning natural scenery. Aside from its breathtaking beauty, Loch Ness is most famously known for the elusive creature Nessie, the Loch Ness Monster. Fort Augustus serves as a gateway to the mysteries and beauty of the loch, offering visitors a perfect starting point to discover the wonders of the area. Explore Fort Augustus with a canal-side stroll, observing boats navigating lochs, or opt for a peaceful canal cruise to fully embrace the serene atmosphere. Visit the iconic Urquhart Castle ruins situated along the shore of Loch Ness. Explore the historical remnants, learn about its intriguing past, and enjoy panoramic views of the loch. Number 9. The Cairngorms National Park, a vast area of stunning beauty featuring diverse landscapes and habitats. In this majestic park, you'll discover ancient Caledonian pine forests, breathtaking lakes, and cascading waterfalls that gracefully plunge into the earth below. Within this diverse terrain, a rich tapestry of wildlife thrives. As the colder months embrace this stunning national park, a magical transformation takes place. The snow-capped peaks, frozen lochs, and frost-kissed forests creates a breathtaking landscape straight out of a fairy tale. Here you can embark on thrilling adventures through the powdery snow, whether it's gliding down slopes or exploring cross-country trails. Number 8. Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park, a blend of serene waters and rugged landscapes. Our journey begins at Loch Lomond, the largest freshwater lake in Scotland. It's a perfect location for exhilarating water activities such as kayaking and paddleboarding, or taking in the sights of wildlife and birds in their natural habitat. Venturing further into the Trossachs reveals a land brimming with natural wonder and captivating landscapes. The region boasts stunning lochs, verdant forests, and picturesque valleys. These nature spots within Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park offers a diverse range of experiences. Number 7. The Isle of Harris, a mesmerising jewel in Scotland's Hebrides. This remote island is known for its rugged coastline and pristine beaches. You can immerse yourself in the tranquility of these shores, where the Atlantic waves meets the rugged landscapes, creating a contrast of elements. While on the island, explore some of the highest peaks found in the Outer Hebrides, offering dramatic views. The Isle of Harris is a fantastic destination for couples seeking a romantic getaway. Its secluded beaches, breathtaking landscapes, and peaceful atmosphere make it an ideal spot for a romantic retreat. Number 6. The Isle of Mull, a captivating jewel of Scotland's western coast. From the moment you set foot on its shores, you're greeted with a diverse tapestry of natural beauty. Its windswept shores unveil secluded and pristine beaches. The beaches are blessed with crystal clear waters and sands kissed by the Atlantic waves. Explore the Isle of Mull's breathtaking coastal roads for an unforgettable journey, revealing nature's beauty at every bend. The scenic drive around Mull's coast is an incredible expedition, offering panoramic views of the rugged cliffs that plunge into the sea below. Be sure to take a moment to stop and admire waterfalls as you journey along the way. Number 5. Glen Etive, located in the Scottish Highlands, fascinates with its rugged and untouched beauty. Glen Etive showcases serene lochs, cascading lakes, and expansive valleys, inviting you to immerse yourself in the tranquility of this stunning glen. Explore the filming locations of iconic movies such as Skyfall and Braveheart, as Glen Etive's scenery has served as the backdrop for numerous films. The glen presents numerous opportunities for hiking, with trails leading to panoramic viewpoints. The most iconic of them all is the Loch Etive Moor, a majestic mountain guarding the entrance to the glen. Visitors will love the changing views, from misty mornings to golden sunsets, painting a dreamy scene with rugged peaks and calm lakes. Number 4. Glenfinnan, a place steeped in history and surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Glenfinnan is found in the Scottish Highlands, where the waters of Loch Lomond meet the imposing mountains. The Glenfinnan monument stands proudly at the head of Loch Lomond, where visitors can climb to the top for panoramic views. The Glenfinnan Viaduct, an engineering marvel famous for its appearance in the Harry Potter films, spans the glen, adding to its charm. Hop aboard the Jacobite steam train for a thrilling ride across the viaduct, offering breathtaking views of the Highland scenery. Explore the stunning natural beauty of Glenfinnan's landscapes that create an unforgettable setting. Feel the peaceful blend of nature, welcoming you to seek comfort and inspiration in its breathtaking embrace. Number 3. Ben Nevis, the majestic jewel of the Scottish Highlands. Rising dramatically amidst the breathtaking landscapes, Ben Nevis is the highest mountain in the UK. Fort William serves as the primary gateway to Ben Nevis, providing the starting point for many adventurers eager to conquer Scotland's tallest peak. Experience the thrill of the ascent as hikers tackle the challenging trails, each step bringing closer the reward of panoramic views from the summit. Make sure to include a visit to Glen Nevis Valley on your journey, a must-see destination while in the area. Here lies the iconic Steel Waterfall, dramatically cascading down a rugged gorge, forming a majestic sight to behold. Discover the Ben Nevis Range, where each summit narrates a story and every path reveals unmatched views. Immerse yourself in the beauty of Scotland's highest peaks and embark on an adventure that you will never forget. Number 2. Glencoe, a timeless valley in the Highlands, steeped in history and natural beauty. The Glencoe Mountains are a haven for hikers, climbers and sightseers seeking to immerse themselves in the breathtaking surroundings. The Three Sisters, among the most sought-after peaks in Glencoe, stand as an iconic representation of the area. Close by lies the hidden valley, nestled between peaks, providing an enchanting hike through breathtaking landscapes and captivating scenery. Embarking on a scenic drive through Glencoe is an adventure that unveils the raw beauty of the Scottish Highlands. The A82 road passing through this iconic glen offers a picturesque journey through stunning landscapes. Delve into the enchanting scenery of Glencoe, a land adorned with majestic peaks and awe-inspiring trails. Uncover the beauty awaiting you in the remarkable scenery and landscapes in Glencoe. Number 1. The Isle of Skye, a land of myth, magic, and unforgettable landscapes. Skye is a nature lover's paradise with stunning views that resemble scenes from a fairy tale. The iconic Old Man of Storr is the main attraction in the area and is one of Skye's most photographed landscapes. It's a popular hiking destination featuring a distinct pinnacle rising through the landscape. The Isle of Skye is a treasure trove of dramatic cliffs and enchanting waterfalls. Enjoy the rough coastline with stunning cliffs that drop into the sea, creating breathtaking views wherever you look. Get ready to encounter some friendly Highland cows along the way. If you're as captivated by Scotland's beauty as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel for more incredible travel experiences. Until next time, happy exploring.